Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about departmental accounting. It is very simple and easy concept. So first we will know the meaning of departmental accounting. So departmental accounting is an accounting system used by organization to manage the accounts of their various departments in separate books. So in large companies, in large MNC companies, there will be so many departments. So for example, departments like HR department, finance department, accounts department, sales, marketing, admin department. So there will be a number of employees will be working in the separate departments, right? So in order to identify the departmental wise expenditure analysis method, we new concept called departmental accounting introduced. The main objective of departmental accounting is to ascertain and also to compare the result of each department. So here we are going to compare the result with each department. Just for example, if we have two departments like A and B, means we are going to compare A's result with B. Why A has earned more profit, why B has sustained some losses. Like this we are going to ascertain and compare the results of each department. So it may give some healthy competition between the departments so that we can earn more profit. Then the second point is it helps to identify profit serving department. So if we maintain departmental accounting, definitely we can recognize which department is earning more profit. Definitely, right? So here we are going to identify which department is earning more profit, so that how I can utilize that profit for my future business purposes, right? Then the last point is to help to take decision regarding decisions regarding expansion or closure of any department. In some cases, one department will be earning more profit. For that department, we can do certain kind of expansion activities like hiring more employees or installing more machineries to the department. In certain departments, it won't earn more profit. If it is continuously sustaining losses, means the company will think regarding closing down or winding up of that department. Okay, these are the major objectives of departmental accounting. So format will be same as it is like trading and profit and loss account. Here we are going to add few columns. A few columns represent department A, B, C and so on. If the company is having only two departments, means we are going to debit side we are going to put two extra columns, and credit side we are going to put two extra columns. Nothing, there is no changes in the method, so it is as it is like trading and profit and loss account. Okay, so but bit difference in this account here, some expenses and revenues in the question exactly I am saying. So certain expenses like purchases, opening stock, sales and closing stock. The basic informations like these two things, they will properly given. For example, purchases of departmental A is 50,000 and for B 60,000. They will clearly mention in the question. But other expenses like salary, advertisement, audit fees and so on will not be clearly mentioned. They will give it in total amount. For example, salary 75,000, but we are calculating departmental accounting. So how we are going to bifurcate that, isn't it? So in departmental accounting, based on certain ratio, we are going to apportion the amount. Okay, so let me show you some table. See, apportionment of departmental expenses. See, expenses like sales expenses as traveling salesman, salary and commission, selling expenses, sales after service, discount allowed, freight, outward freight charges, provision for discounts, sales managers' salaries, related, including advertisement. These things are, we are going to bifurcate on the basis of sales. How much they have given, no? In question, we are going to consider the ratio. We are going to reduce the values into ratios and we are going to bifurcate the expenditures. Okay. The next, all expenses relating to buildings as rent and rates, taxes, heating, insurance of building. These kind of expenditures will be apportioned in the basis of area or value of floor space. Okay, these informations will be given in the questions. No need to worry. Okay, in the additional informations, they will mention it very clearly. Okay, next point, lighting points. So we are going to count in the departments how many lighting points are there. On that basis, we are going to bifurcate the lighting charges. Next, insurance on stock, average stocks carried, insurance on plant and machinery, value of plant and machinery. Okay, next, group insurance or direct expenditures, they will clearly mention, no need to worry. Next, depreciation, renewals and repairs, it depends upon the value of assets. So if they have mentioned value of plant and machinery in additional information, means we are going to calculate on that basis. Okay, next, canteen expenses, labor welfares, it totally depends upon the number of employees. How many employees are working in departmental A versus departmental B. So on that basis, we are going to bifurcate these expenditures. Next, works manager salary, time spent, how many hours he has worked in departmental A versus departmental B. Carriage inward, this is very much important. Carriage outward on the sales basis, carriage inward on the purchase ratio. Okay, carriage inward, freight, octroi charges will be calculated on purchases of each department. Okay, these are the basic and maximum expenditures that we are going to solve in the problems. Okay, so I hope everyone understood the concept.